Hello guys, welcome back to channel Tea Lover, and today I'll teach you how to install the WordPress themes or use your local computer as a server to design some WordPress and move to the your server. So basically I have a themes over here, Jana, and it's premium themes. So if you need this, you can directly contact me in the Instagram. And if you try to make any site in the WordPress, then you can see the many themes which are available free in the WordPress, but these themes are only free version. So you have to upgrade these themes for the pro version to customize your all the things. But here I'm gonna provide you this Jannaha themes, and it's custom themes. You should create the all the side by your custom. You can choose your everything you like. So basically for that you need Jam, and many of you know about it. This Jam convert the your computer as a local server. This Jam should be installed in your PC. So after installing this PC, you have to download the file. One file is that WordPress. You need to download the file WordPress. So I have already downloaded the file WordPress. I'm looking for the WordPress. Okay, you can here go here WordPress. Okay, you can look here. I have a file WordPress. So I'm copying this in the desktop, so it's easy to find me. Okay, I have a themes, Jannaha themes and WordPress. So for this you have to open Jam, and you have to run these two things, Apache and MySQL. Right now this condition will be like this. You have to start first two option, Apache and MySQL. So after starting this, you have to install the WordPress in the this Jam. So for that you need WinRAR installed in your computer. You have to double click this file and you will see the your file. So you have left click and copy file to clipboard. Okay, so you have to copy this file to the clipboard. So it takes some time to copy the file. After copying this file, you will go to the my computer in local disk C. Here you can see the folder Jam. When you click to the Jam, you will see the stdocs docs. So it's stdocs. When you enter in this, you have to create a folder name, and this folder name will be your website name. Okay, I'm making it as test. So I'm after creating this folder, I'm pressing Ctrl V, or I'm pasting this file to this folder, so that I've copied this WordPress file. Now this is the not correct way to install the WordPress. So Ctrl A, Ctrl X. So I'm getting back to here and Ctrl B. Okay, so your should be like this. Okay, when you click test, the WordPress file should be located like this. Okay, when you are done with this, then now you had created a WordPress install in your computer. Now let's make these things run in your computer. For that, you will open your Chrome or Mozilla or any browser that you use, and you will type over here localhost. Okay, and you will enter. You will see here a option PHP my admin. You will click over here. So it takes some time to reload. So after reloading, you will redirect to PHP my admin, and you are supposed to create a file over here, new file. So when you enter to new file, you should name the database name, and this database name should be same as your website name. That previously I created the website name as a test, so I'm making this database with also test. So I create the database. cannot create a bigger database exist. Okay, test, oh, it's already exist, so I'm not test. Okay, I'm creating test one, so database test one has been created, so it means that I have to change the jam folder name also. So I'm changing the name. You can choose your own name, so I'm creating this name with test1. Okay, done. Okay, it is done. Now for this we have successfully created the database in my PHP. So now it's time to log in. So we'll log into the WordPress. So here for that we'll click localhost slash your file name test1. So you'll enter this and a interface will be open. So it takes some time to reload. Okay, the WordPress setup has been started. So you'll click your language. So I'm selecting as English. So press continue. I have database. We have all done these things. So we'll click let's go. So here we are removing the database name. We don't need the database name. So we are also removing username, and we are creating a root. You should type this in the username. You will remove the password and we will keep other thing as it is. So we'll submit this file. Okay, cannot select database. Okay, test. Okay, we are selecting our database as test1 and I will removing the password. Okay, we'll submit. Okay, it is done. So we are running the installation. As you run the installation, we have chance to create our site title, and it's test1. Again, I'm making a username admin and creating a password as it is. So this is my email. So I'm installing WordPress. So I'm copying this password and installing the WordPress. So I'm logging to the WordPress. So you can see this the password and admin, and I'm logging in. Finally, you have log into your WordPress dashboard. So here you can control all the things in your WordPress. You can post your any posts, you can post your medias, you can customize your page. So there are appearance, you can choose themes, custom widgets, menus. So I'm going to themes. So when you look outside, you can look outside local host slash our site name is test1. So entering this thing, it has opened. Look, this is the WordPress or simple themes. They are using the themes of WordPress. So I'm installing a new themes that I have, that's Jannaha themes. So I'm gonna upload the themes from here. You'll go to appearance, themes and custom themes. Okay, choose file. I'm locating the file. You can hear I have dark news themes and Jannaha themes. So this is not pro version, so I'm selecting the Jannaha themes. Okay, I'm installing these things. Okay, it's installing the themes. So it is done. So you can look over here. I'm activating these themes and making a live preview. So So when you activate and make a live preview with these themes, so you can see that your site is validated. It means that your site has been opened. So all you can think is customize your things. So only one thing is that you cannot do here is to choose the demo, so you will not able to import the demo file. So you should start all the things with the your own creation. So here you can move to the okay, here you can see this is the basic site that Jannaha Themes as offer us. So you're gonna identity test one. So here you can see the file menus, so you can create a menu over here, menu name. Okay, I'm creating a menu. So okay, next add menu, uh, home home and is custom sample page. Okay, and add category. I'm adding a category, so you can publish and see the things. So when you publish this thing, if you reload the thing, you can see the menu over here, and that's menu is on home page. So basically for that you have to move to the home page and you choose the static site. So sorry, here start sample page. Okay, this is your home page. So here you can select the sample page or home page. For that you have to go to the customization. So all this you can do with the from the theme option. So here is the option to customize your thing. So I have already created some pages with this thing, so you can look over that. I have used the Jannaha themes to customize my site. It takes some times to customize this thing. So I'm loading my previous, this is my previous Jannaha themes customization. So you can look here, you can do everything you like over here. So it's taking some time. Because of number of Wordpress installed in my PC, so I've installed 2-3 Wordpress and 2-3 sites. So here you can look this site. Okay, I've created the site from Jannaha Themes and it's Jannaha Themes. So look over here. So this is the site created. Okay, you can edit page. Okay, here you can choose the news sticker, anything. So you can create your blog site, your shopping cart or news portal, anything from these themes. So I'd provide these themes you directly from Instagram if you DM me. Thank you for today.